Hi everyone, this is Mrs. De Leon. I hope you've had a great weekend. Today we're going to be talking about the verb estar. Estar is an irregular verb. That just means that this verb doesn't follow the regular AR endings that we've learned in the past. This verb means to be. And it's got many uses, but today we're going to talk about kind of how to conjugate it, all the different things we need to do with it, just like we have with other verbs. So let's see. Hopefully this works. There we go. Okay. So first of all, we're going to talk about the conjugations of estar. When we talk about estar, and I mentioned it was irregular, that just means that we got to make sure that we remember the changes that happen with it. So the yo form is yo estoy. Estoy. Tú estás. And that has an accent on the A. Tú estás. The él, ella, usted form is está. The nosotros, nosotras form is estamos, and that one does not have an accent. And then the ellos, ellas, ustedes form, I don't know why I have that M there, is están, and that's got an accent on the A. Okay, so again, the conjugations of estar are yo estoy, tú estás, él está, ella está, usted está, nosotros estamos, nosotras estamos, ellos están, ellas están, and ustedes están. Now, the uses of estar. Now, just like with any other verb, we can make sentences with it. So let's talk a little bit about the uses of it as I write sentences. So here are a couple of things that we can do. So for example, yo estoy triste. And that means I am sad. I am sad. So this one we can use to talk about feelings. So all the forms of estar can be used to talk about feelings. Feeling sad, feeling happy, feeling tired, things like that. So here's another example. Tú estás cansado. You are tired. Another way to use it, for example, you can say María está en la casa. And that means Maria is in the house. And this is talking about location. So that's another way to use estar. Those are the two primary ways to use it. You can talk about feelings and location. Another example would be nosotros estamos en la selva. And that means we are in the jungle. So notice again that we can use some of our vocab, and that's why the verb estar is part of this unit. It has to do with location, and some of the locations we can use are related to our vocab.